Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Marshayla. I am a licensed esthetician and pro makeup artist. Today we are going to be doing a little makeup on my sister here. My sister, my manager, my the list goes on and on. I could describe. We not even gonna get into that. We get cozy, chill vibe, cause we're gonna get into it. All right, let's do it. Before we get into the glam, skin prep is the number one key. I'm starting off by cleaning the face and then hydrating with a serum and a moisturizer. If you're not prepping your skin, babe, your makeup will not last. Moving on to the brows, I'm using two brow products, a pen and a pencil to outline and fill in, and I use hair-like strokes to get that perfect, flawless, soft but defined look. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm using this pale baby pink color and I'm packing it on her lid. I'm laying this down first to really get a nice color payoff, because sometimes these colors can come off streaky or patchy and that's not the vibe we're going for, babe. Be acting funny. Yo, you see my last pic, go double tap that for me. Cock back, red octagon. Stop that. There she go. I had to put these chickens back in the coop like a tutor hole. I hear you talking, but who you talking to though? Blending is the number one key when it comes to eyeshadow, babe. Do not forget to use a fluffy round brush to do that. I'm packing on this medium brown shade color to get a nice gradient effect. So my technique is pack on the color and then blend it out. It's going to always turn out flawless that way. Let them know. Let them know what? Let them know. Using my fingers to apply a pink shimmer on top of that baby pink color that I used. I love adding shimmer on top. It just makes the look extra glam, and that's what we was going for. A pretty in pink, okay? We giving glamiana. I'm carving out the brows using foundation to give that nice snatched look. I ate these brows for real. Then I'm just applying the foundation with the same brush that I used to carve the brows out with, and I'm just spreading it all over the face, and then I'll blend it out. Do not forget that neck, babe. That is another rule that y'all be forgetting about. Blend that foundation down to your neck. Trust me, it's gonna look better. I'm going in with a concealer that's almost the same skin tone, and I'm applying that. I love to apply my concealers in layers. I feel like it looks so much more softer and prettier. Let's get in that blush. I love blush, babe. Oh my goodness. And you see here, I'm packing it on. It looks so good. I like to place the blush right kind of underneath the eye on top of the cheekbone. It gives snatched every time. I'm using a contour stick to contour all the edges of her face where the sun would naturally hit, so she can have that nice golden complexion. After I blended out all my cream products, I set the whole entire face with a powder puff and a white translucent powder, and I really press it into the skin. I'm just using a bronzer now to add that warmth back, because I set the whole face with a white translucent powder. So we got to bring that color back. Lips, yes, we love lips. I love this brown lip liner too. It's by NYX. It's so pretty, but it still gives that definition that we're looking for on the lips. And I'm also using 2 lip glosses on this lip combination today. I'm using this pink, baby pink damn near lip gloss, and it's so pretty. This could have been on its own, but you know I gotta take it up a notch. You know how I do it. So yeah, put that glitter gloss on top. Looking very scrumptious. And when you get your makeup done by me, I'm gonna spray you down, babe. Sorry, not sorry, actually. And here's the final look. Oh my god, y'all, I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And do not forget, you can also click the link in my Instagram bio to book me for facials, waxing, and makeup. I'm located in the Cincinnati, Ohio area. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.